Good evening. So yesterday we have shown you in the first video that how to register ourselves as an entity. So once I got registered, so in say around 1 p.m. I had given registration request, and around 7 I got email that my registration has been approved. So now I'll go to now next step, that how to register the sender ID. So for that we need to go to again trueconnect.geo.com, and here as a principal entity. So I need to enter the email ID and the password which we have used while registering the form, and say submit. It would send me the OTP to my registered number. So enter the OTP here and do login. So this is the dashboard I can see here. Okay. So for header SMS, you go to, for sender registration, go to header SMS registration. Now select the header type, select your transactional service, category, education. Now say suppose I want header as school. Okay, SCHOOL, school. I submit it. Now it is telling me the header already exists. So there's a new process wherein they have made this sender ID as unique. So there would be any duplication. So it should be unique sender ID. So say suppose I want now any other, say top school. Request for header registration has been submitted successfully. So this is how the message will get it. Okay. So this one was sent by me earlier on yesterday, and today I can see this. And also the list of rejected here, invalid length. So I had here they have given that header should be alphanumeric with 3 to 9 characters, not starting with the number. But I have given 8 to 9 characters. They have rejected it. So we need to have sender ID of only 6 characters. So while registering, just enter for 6 characters and send it for registration for header entity. So I think it would take around 24 hours to review it once you have done this. Now I can see my status like header SMS details. So this one was done by me yesterday. Still, it's not. It's showing as pending approval. This is done by me now. Here I can see in the list of registered what rejected. Like these all are rejected, and the reason is invalid length. So the length should be 6 characters. And here, whenever I get registered, the header ID is registered against my entity. Then I can see here. Then next step is. So next step is you need to go to campaign and my telemarketers. So here you need to go to manage telemarketer. So here you need to map Prisms as your telemarketer. So search for Prisms, PRI-SMS. So you'll be able to see Prisms Tele info system. So just select this, drag this, and bring this over here as my telemarketer, and click on apply. So what you need to do is you just need to search for Prisms. You search for Prisms here, select Prisms info system, and drag it here and say apply. So this is like principal entity and marketing mapping has been successfully completed. So this is how we need to follow this process. Okay. So once my header is approved within say 24 hours, I think that you can send SMS through that sender ID. Thank you.